much as the US dollar, Bitcoin is the currency that's been designed to pay for goods and services. However, this is where the similarities between cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and traditional currencies end. After all, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or central bank. Plus, it's also pseudo-anonymous, meaning it's tied to your wallet ID rather than your personal information. If you are interested in learning more about Bitcoin, then here's the complete history of the mysterious cryptocurrency, including detail on how its price has changed over the years. The origins of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was developed back in 2008 and it's credited to Satoshi Nakamoto. However, it's unknown whether this pseudonym can be credited to an individual person or a group. According to businessinsiders.com, everyone from American inventor Elon Musk to Australian entrepreneur Craig Wright have been linked to the creation of Bitcoin. In October 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper on how a digital cryptocurrency could work. Only a few months later, the first open source Bitcoin software was released and the mining of the first block of Bitcoin, known as the Genesis block, began. When you are learning about Bitcoins, you will come across a lot of unfamiliar terms. We have already used phrases like wallets, mining and blocks. As a result, it's best to keep a glossary like the one from learncrypto.com to hand. Otherwise, the whole learning process can be quite confusing. Bitcoin's first real-world transaction in the early years of Bitcoin, interest in the currency was minimal. As a result, the first commercial transaction didn't take place until 2010. This happened when Laszlo Hynek bought 2 pizzas from Papa John's for 10,000 Bitcoins. Given Bitcoin was virtually worthless at the time, it was worth $0.08 per coin. It seemed like a bargain. However, 2019's Bitcoin price, the pizza cost around $80 million according to Yahoo. Bitcoin hits the mainstream and caused controversy. In the following year, Bitcoin gained plenty of both positive and negative publicity. In 2012, several retailers opened up about the prospect of accepting Bitcoins, but in October 2013, federal authorities in America closed a website called Silk Road where black market Bitcoin transactions had been taking place. In addition, in 2014, a Bitcoin exchange called Mt. Gox was closed after allegations of fraud. In the process, 850,000 Bitcoins were lost. However, by this point, the value of a Bitcoin had risen to around $1,000 from 2017 to 2019 rallies and crashes. Although Bitcoin had experienced a meteoric price rise in 2017, the cryptocurrency's price came crashing back down to the earth in 2018. After commentators and analysts claimed the Bitcoin's price was a bubble, its price fell rapidly from highs of $20,000 per coin in January 2018 to $7,000 per coin in April and $3,500 per coin in November. However, an uncertain economic climate in 2019 caused Bitcoin's trading volume and price to rise once again. This led to the value of coin reaching $10,000 again in June 2019. Bitcoin in 2020 to 21 has been a good year for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency's value has risen once more. Back in January, the coin was worth around $7,200, but by December its price had risen to record highs of $24,000 per coin. Since it was created 2008, Bitcoin has had an incredible volatile trading history. However, in 2020, interest in Bitcoin has never been higher and its price stand at all-time high. With 18.5 million Bitcoins in circulation and a market capitalization of over $400 billion, Bitcoin's popularity doesn't appear to be slowing down.